our house here is almost done. And we have no idea what it looks like or anything, so we're super pumped to go see it. This is one of the funnest obstacles. It's super gnarly. So, we had so much fun. So sad, we rolled one of the machines. Anyway, these things are stupid, right? We love having them, love sharing them, but it stinks when accidents like this happen. You know, rock crawling, you're going slow, not too fast. So, a lot of times there's not a ton of risk, per se. But anyway, we're glad everybody is okay. We took it broke one of the axles and then scraped it up a bit. So we will get that repaired. We're actually heading out tomorrow to go to northern Utah, to Garden City. We have a property up there that we're so excited to go check out. It's not quite done yet. So we're actually going to stay at my brother's house. He has a place that he rents out on Airbnb up there. So we're pumped to be able to go check it out. Just came over to the house. They are building or putting a 3 tall bunk bed right here. Everything is looking good. We should get the cabinets tomorrow. It should be about 1 more week and then we can move in. We're pumped. Here's the other part of the bunk beds. It'll be cool to, I told them to have at it. I didn't really give them much direction. You're gonna love them. So it's Emerson and Ruby's birthday this week, so we came to get air. I feel so bad. We always do so many fun things in Utah. It's so amazing, but for some reason we just never film it. So we're in just north of Salt Lake City, and we just here with a bunch of friends, so excited to be here.
We could be dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise, late 'cause we're losing track of time. Yeah, we're in young life.
Milo! This is my favorite guy in the whole world. He's awesome.
I know we're in young love, slow dancing in the parking lot, up talking until 5 o'clock, when we got class at 8 a.m. When I'm with you, it all makes sense. I finally get what
Alrighty. So cool. Wow. The stairs used to go straight down here. We opened up the kitchen, vaulted this whole thing, put a patio here and a pickleball court over there. Wow. Whose birthday is it today?
Mine.
Excuse me?
Oh, no. It's tomorrow.
We thought we'd open a couple presents because we have early church tomorrow. Oh,
Ooh, is it a dress?
sweet. That's so pretty. Whoa. What do you say?
Thank you, Mom. Happy birthday.
Honey, I'm just human. When you tripped, I couldn't help.
Yeah, Ruby.
Just called me stupid. I couldn't help but take your photograph.
There's the house. We are so excited to get this done. So we thought we'd go on a little bike ride. We don't really know where we're going. This is it's just right across the road from where our property is. Apparently this road goes forever. It goes You can ride from here to Monte Cristo, and it's so pretty with the leaves changing. Look how pretty it is.
Down your back, know that you love me. You know that it's silly, stupid for you, baby. And I know I let you laugh at me.
Made it to the top. Kind of. Guess there's always more top. So pretty. How many times I've said so pretty. We just came to breakfast. And then we're gonna go check out a couple different caves, which is so cool. Idaho has a lot of them. The wind just goes through them perfectly, and there's ice in it all year round. So amazing. I forget how peaceful it is in the mountains. We were gone from from Utah for like 10 years, and really we were building our business and never had time to come out to Utah during the summer and enjoy it so much. I guess we're in Idaho, but anyway, it's so peaceful once you get out a little ways up in the mountains.
Yeah, we could be dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise, late 'cause we're losing track of time. Yeah, we're in young love, 'cause when I'm with you it feels like falling in love for the first time. It'll always be true. Yeah, I know we're in young love. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I know we're in young love. 'Cause we might be young, doesn't mean that we're wrong. Yeah, I think I finally found the one. Can't see it all, but somehow I know that we'll keep on falling in young love.
There's a place up there that sometimes it's the coldest place in the US. I guess every winter a few times it's the coldest place, but it's so beautiful. But we are just loving our time up here. It's such a special place. All the tourists are gone, and so it's super quiet. A lot of the restaurants are closed, which is kind of a bummer, but it's still been wonderful.
'Cause when I'm with you it feels like falling in love.
So I don't know if I said anything last time. Anyway, they're getting all the framing done. This is the garage, obviously, but we're gonna put glass doors on these. There's a fireplace over here, but this is all gonna be essentially a family room. Will be cool. And right outside the back door will be a big hot tub, and then right here will be a full bathroom. So if anybody needs to shower off after the hot tub. They just got all the priming done. The kids have been at the church. They have just activities for the youth over there, so they've been over there. It's awesome. So we are up by Beaver Mountain Ski Resort. I wish I could jump that good.
I know, like I just jumped
Watch him,
over
watch him. Boom!
easily. That is
What about the baby? Come on, baby. Let's see it. Let's see it. Well, the house is coming along incredibly. We'll probably have, I'd say, 2 months. So they're gonna start painting tomorrow. Right here is gonna be 2 RV pads, because you always have friends that have RVs, so it's perfect for that. And then we'll put a little hot tub right there. Then over on that side, a big patio, and then the pickleball court.
Oh, debt collector. Is that Emerson? Look how much money he has.
Pay me.
But I can pay that.
Pay me $2 million. Gooby.
Gibbs.
So we're going on a horseback ride, pretty much the same area that we went mountain biking yesterday. So this is our last day that we're gonna be up here, and then heading back down to southern Utah, and we will probably be back up here on like the end of the month, end of October. So looking forward to getting back up here.
We're still in the moonlight. It's something something sweet. Let it wash over all of me. With you I form my company. Forever close to the unknown. There's no doubts and no regret. Happy before we get another day to do it all again. Oh, throwing open all the curtains wide. Oh, not gonna miss a thing. Oh, nothing's promised to you in this life, but it's
So fun. Utah is so cool. When I was a kid, we used to go riding quite a bit. My uncle had some horses and we would take them out all the time, which was so fun. Fun being back on a horse finally.
We lay in the daylight under the old oak tree. It's simple, beautiful, it's all we need. Chasing the wonder endlessly.
Well, we just got home to southern Utah and had so much fun. We stopped on our way home, our good friends in Centerville, and we had a wonderful couple, Ben and Lydia. We spent some time with them last week that stayed. We have some RV pads here, but they are from Hungary and they're driving up north. I'll actually leave a link to their Instagram. They have a Hungarian Instagram and YouTube. They are incredible. Super cool couple. We had super fun hanging out with them, but we met up with them. They're going up to the Tetons and we're coming down here, so we got to meet up for breakfast this morning, so it's nice. But our house here is almost done. There's just a few more things. I guess they got all the furniture in and we have no idea what it looks like or anything, so we're super pumped to go see it. Look at these bunk beds. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, that's so awesome. Wow, beautiful kitchen. Oh my gosh. So we'll put this table goes right here. That looks amazing. Can you believe this? Oh my goodness. So we didn't give her any thoughts on the beds and any furniture. She just did it. Laura is incredible. Didn't even know there's a skylight. Wow, that bed's huge in here. So excited. So this is one of our little townhomes that we have here. It's been a fun little rental. We've actually never slept here. Oh, that's so dark. Anyway, I'll give a bit of a tour tomorrow. Fun little pool. The golf course is right here. Laundry room. And the pool's just right outside there. And here. So there's a bathroom here. And then a little bathroom here. Anyway, these townhomes, they've been awesome to rent out. They rent really good. And luckily we bought them at a right time, a good time. They've gone up in value quite a bit. So now they don't really, anyway, I don't think they are worth the buy at the moment. But all the time I think about sharing about our short-term rental journey. And I just haven't shared much, but maybe this week I'll write down some thoughts and kind of share. But it's the short-term rental game has been, through COVID, there's such a huge influx of people buying short-term rentals and most people mortgaging their properties. And so I'm a firm believer that we'll see a huge bubble, because even a lot of the places that we manage currently, the people that have mortgages on them, they aren't making their mortgage anymore. So it's kind of interesting exciting to see that, and so it'll be kind of wild to see what happens over the next year or two with second homes for people. But we've been doing short-term rentals for about 8 years now, 9 years, something like that, and it's overall it's been such a wonderful thing, and it's nice because we can go sail, enjoy the boat life, and then whenever we need and want, we can just block off one of our homes and stay there. So it's been such a wonderful thing. We're grateful that we kind of learned about it and fell upon it and have got in the game. So we just came over to one of our friends to check out his airplane, and he's showing the kids around. Kind of fun.
Something called butter pea fish.
Oh, okay.
And red apple.
Come on, Daddy.
Gina made fun of our truck, so it felt bad and quit working. So we have to, anyway, we're taking it over to a shop and hopefully we can get it running again. Unbelievable. New dirt bike.
Best day of my life.
Owen got too fat for his other one, so we had to get him a new one.